Okay, what's up YouTube? Pat the Car Guy over here at Gresham Toyota again, your gateway to adventure. Talking to you about the difference between a 2019 Highlander Xle hybrid and 2019 Highlander Limited hybrid. So the silver one's the Xle hybrid, black one is Limited. Up front, both the same. You know, a difference I haven't pointed out in some other videos, the hybrids are going to have the kind of the blue tinted emblem up front. That's how you know it's a hybrid. So limited wheel, we got a 5-spoke versus the multi-spoke on the Xle. It's a little fancier wheel. Side of the vehicle pretty much the same compared to the Xle on the exterior. Really just the wheels is the difference there. Walking up, of course, we got smart keyless entry. One upgrade over the Xle is the memory seating. Also, the front seats are heated and cooled, not just heated. Also, we're going to have a JBL premium stereo on the Limited model. Now, Limiteds, you can get captain's chairs like this, or a bench seat. We're going to have the pull-up sunshades for the second row and third row. Of course, we've got a power liftgate. A little more chrome accents on the bumper, rear bumper. Other than that, pretty similar car. So we've got sunshades, cooled seats, not just heated, and the wheels. Pretty much the differences we're looking at. This bench seat option is available in a Limited, no additional cost. So we're looking at $43,944 on the Xle. For the Limited with those options, we're jumping up to $47,424. Same mover. My name is Patrick over here at Gresham Toyota. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. I'll try to get back to them as soon as possible. You can reach me at the number below, or feel free to come in. If you want to see some other videos, feel free to check out my channel, subscribe or like. Have a great day.